Hello again.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Today's the weekend. What did you do during your free a day off?
I had a breakfast and then I watched a movie.
Oh, what movie?
Sorry,
What movie did you watch?
it was South Korean movie. The name I don't remember. It was the the God, something like that.
Oh,
Yes,
I see. So that's what you did today. Watch a Korean movie.
yes, that's right.
Ah, do you usually watch K dramas?
Which dramas?
K dramas. That's the short term for Korean dramas.
Yes. Sometimes I watch
Mm-hmm.
Korean movies. How about you? How was
How
your
about
day?
today? Sadly, it's not that interesting because I have an upcoming final examination, so I have to study
Mm.
for most of my weekends. I've been studying for 2 weeks now.
I see. Right. So, I was just wanted to ask you about Cambly. That how did
Mhm.
you apply over there? How long did it take to start teaching with Cambly? What was the process?
Oh, okay. Actually, the first thing I did when I found Cambly, like, there's this website for tutors, like the Tutor Cambly website, and below there's like join us. That's the application. Hello.
Yes, now it's okay.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, it's good.
Which part of it did you not hear?
From the beginning.
Okay, from the beginning. So when you open the Cambly website, there's a tutor Cambly website,
Mhm.
and you just click the join us button, and then you have the application is quite easy actually. You
Right.
just have to like take a video, a demo lesson video of how you
Hmm.
teach people, and then your introduction video, which
Right.
is then shared in your profile.
Hmm.
And for me, it took 4 months for Cambly to, yes, to accept
4 months.
my
Ah,
application. 4 months, yeah.
right.
It,
Right.
it depends actually if they have less tutors for this year or if they need tutors, then they look at the application something.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Are you interested in applying for Cambly?
Yeah, actually, I did apply, and I haven't got any response yet. I have been waiting for so long, maybe 2 to 3 months. So that's why I asked you that how long did it take? So you said 4 months. So maybe I need to wait
Yeah,
more.
the patience. You need lots of patience for Cambly.
Right, right. So
Because some of them
uh-huh,
took 6 months and a year.
six
Some of
months.
them. Yeah,
Right,
it's quite
right,
long.
right. So now after you get like green signal that you can teach on Cambly.
Hmm.
So is it difficult to get students on Cambly?
Um, I would say not quite difficult because once you start opening your slots on Cambly, like you have this new talent button on your profile, and it you get to be on the top of the list when students search for you
Oh,
or somewhere near the middle. Yeah.
right. Okay. That's great. So you have been teaching here for 3 to 4 months, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, it's last November, so it's like 3 months now, almost 3 months.
Right. So how is your experience? And how many hours do you give classes on campus?
I hope to have at least 2 hours a day
Mhm,
after my classes, after my studies,
mhm.
because by then I've at least earn as much as I want. So I usually do it every day, and then I just have one day off from Cambly.
Right, right. And you get payment on monthly basis or weekly?
It's a weekly basis, yeah. Every
Ah,
Tuesday for me.
that's great. Great.
Yeah, it is great.
Right. So how do you manage your studies and Cambly? And I think you're teaching on some other platforms too. Isn't it difficult for you?
Um, Actually, I stopped my previous platform because I wasn't able to handle it. It was too much. I usually spend most of my time studying because mathematics and physics are not my cup of tea, so I have to study a lot,
Right.
and I
Uh-huh.
have to spend at least 2 hours on Cambly just to earn that small amount as much as I can.
Excellent. That's great. So, would you mind asking me what's the fees they give to the tutors on Cambly?
It's 0.17 cents US dollars every minute. We have like 2 seconds left.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Bye.